Hello, traders. I am so happy to announce that we are launching our copy trading service. We heard you, and yes, I know it's annoying that sometimes you miss VIP trades because of the time difference. But with the copy trading service, you are never ever going to miss another VIP trade. I'm going to show you how this works. It's quite simple. This is the account that tracks all the VIP trades. Of course, that because we opened this account 10 days ago, you can see the entire equity curve. This is the entire equity curve. We are up 15% with minimal drawdown. This is what we offer you, right? I'm not saying that you're going to make 100% in a week because that's not sustainable. What we offer is steady growth with a limited drawdown, and we do make money every single month, right? So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is open an account with ACAP with our our referral link, right? And subscribe to the copy trading service, right? If this is what you want and you don't want to miss another VIP trade, the link to subscribe is below this video. Now, the cool thing about this is that not only this account trades the VIP trades, but it also trades the swing VIP trades. So you are going to get both copied into your account. Once you open an account and subscribe to a copy trading service, we are going to give you this link, right? Where you are going to add your account to as a follower to our leader account, right? And it's quite simple. All you have to do is click copy, right? And you can choose whether you want to copy by volume, by proportional by equity, and proportional by balance. My advice is that you choose proportional by balance. And if you want to follow our risk parameters, just click here 100. Why? Because if you set a copy percentage at 100, you will receive the same trade size relative to your equity. So if we trade on a 1% risk, you are going to get a copy of the trade on a 1% risk based on your equity, right? And after that, you just acknowledge and click continue, and that's it. Once you do that, your account is linked to ours, right? The account that tracks all the VIP trades, and you are going to start receiving the trades. And it's quite simple. This is how you are going to get them. So basically, this is the leader account, right? This is just a demo, right, for me to show you how it really works. If I place a trade here, let's see, I don't know, I want to sell or I have a setup, right, to sell the pound versus the yen. Yeah, I just sell the pound versus the yen here on the leader account. I set my stop losses and targets, etc., right? And if I log in into the follower account, which would be yours, the trade is going to be copied exactly to your account at the same time with zero lag. And if you choose to copy by proportional by equity and you set it at 100, you are going to also copy our risk parameters and our risk management. So if this is what you want, if you want to have this equity growth, steady growth with minimal drawdown, just subscribe to the copy trading service with the link below, mates. This is amazing. We have been working on this because we heard you. We heard you. You've been asking for this for a while, and it's here. So welcome aboard, mates.